Reclaim app review. Is it worth using? In this video, I'm going to show you whether Reclaim AI is worth using. Reclaim AI is a smart calendar assistant that optimizes your schedule by defending time for tasks, habits, and breaks. It connects to your Google Calendar and operates in the background, constantly reshuffling your calendar based on rules you set. If you're tired of rescheduling meetings and fitting deep work around chaos, Reclaim offers intelligent protection. What sets Reclaim apart is its adaptability. You can create rules for personal habits like exercises 3 times a week or 30-minute lunch daily, and Reclaim will schedule them automatically without clashing with meetings. It also prioritizes tasks and syncs with tools like Todoist and Asana, turning your tasks into a fluid part of your calendar. The AI is conservative. It only schedules tasks when there's time and gives way to more urgent events when needed. The flexibility makes it especially valuable in fast paced, collaborative environments where your schedule changes frequently. However, Reclaim's design assumes to live inside Google Calendar. If your Apple or Outlook exclusively, it's not for you. Ultimately, Reclaim is worth using if you value intelligent time defense, flexible routines, and seamless task integration in your calendar. And that's how you decide if Reclaim AI is worth using.